this is still really surreal. You know, it's like, it's exactly the kind of thing people dream about. And like, I'm not just living a dream, I'm living my dream. Yeah. I fought to get into the casino gauntlet, and then I fought a dangerous, toxic champion in Tekla, so I could win this bad boy right here. So, I love all the love you guys are giving me, but I need you to listen to this part, because this is for all of you, and this is for all of you. If life has been kicking you around, don't you dare give up. Don't do it, okay? Keep fighting, keep pushing through, because sometimes the comeback is even better than the dream.